This is our Model E107 integrated surface downhole drilling rig. The machine is equipped with a double screw air compressor, powered by a UT176 kW engine, high efficiency and energy saving. The fully automatic rod changing system enables simple operation by a single person. Maximum hole depth 21米 ，drilling diameter 90到115毫米。It adopts imported electronic components with dust-proof and waterproof design, and is equipped with a 14-core dust removal air filter and 2-stage air filter, which can meet various harsh environments.